So now we're going to learn how to draw a range of different trees that you can use on your landscape. So every single thing that we draw will begin with an isometric cube. So in the left hand corner here, everything that's on the left hand side is a parallel line to these ones. Everything on when our ruler is turned to this side is parallel to these lines. So what we want to do, we want to draw a small cube and that is the base of our tree. So what we're going to do, from the bottom point, the center point as we call it, we're going to draw a line up. There we go. And then simply from these 2 points, the tree is curved and we draw it to meet all at the same point. Yep. For this one, a simple round circle on the top for our tree. And there we have it, an isometric tree. For our second tree, we're going to try something a little different. So again, I'm going to go freehand from now because you guys should begin to understand. You should use a ruler, but if we look, the same, if we draw a line up, it's the same there. So we start with a little cube to your center point, draw a line up, and this time I'm going to keep the lines straight. So everything we draw starts with a cube on the bottom. Yeah. So we're going to stop there for the moment. Next step, this one's going to be a triangle tree. So again, this is our middle point, 30 degrees out, 30 degrees out. And we're going to get our ruler, we're going to draw directly up. Then the next step, from this point and this point, we're going to connect up to the top of the tree. So there we have it, another style of tree. Yep. So as you can see, I've made a mistake here. These lines need to be parallel to these ones. So we can fix that up by simply doing this. And that one's okay. So there we have it. Tree number 3. So we can see this square even makes quite a thick tree stump. So we're going to start with a really small one. Going to get our ruler directly up on either side. You'll use your ruler. I'm just freehanding to make it more easy for you to understand. And again, following this line up, and this line here, draw this one up, connect those 2 points. And I'm going to do the same again to give my tree a second layer. There we go. So now we have sort of a little pine tree. And then again, I can do the same thing but have the circle top. So I start with a really small square on the ground. Ruler goes directly up. You would do this with a ruler on either side, but I'm just freehanding it to make it easier. And then nice and simple, just a nice circle on top. There we have it. So there is 4 different types of trees that you can use in your drawing.